Next question. Question 3. Explain the following statements with reasons. Okay. See. Now you have to explain the statement and give reason for it. Okay, class. Now see, you all are in higher class. You all should able to elaborate the answer. Okay, means you should able to give your own explanation in your own words. So this is how you are going to write your answers. I'm giving you your the answer, but you should also have the habit to write the answers on your own. Now, the question is, India adopted the parliamentary system of government. Actually, what is this? This is like give reasons. Why did India adopted the parliamentary system of government? Means what? You have to give reasons for it. That why did India adopted the parliamentary system of government? So here I have given you the answers. It is the explanation. Explain the following. So explanation is little bit elaborated. Okay, means it is not in brief, it is not in short. So parliamentary system is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Okay, it is based on election where those currently in power have reasonable chance of losing. In a democracy, every adult citizen has one vote and each vote has the right to elect their representatives. The final decision-making power is with the elected by the people called as representative. The people who elect them is called as the representative. Okay. Now what is this? First, it is the explanation of parliamentary system. Okay. What is parliamentary system? And now there are the reasons that why did India adopted the parliamentary system. Okay, first what is parliamentary system, and now we are going to write the reason. There are clear reasons for India to be the parliamentary system of government. They are: first, in a parliamentary system, leaders from various communities and the smaller groups form association to the majority. The parliamentary system is also fine in protecting against a one-man rule. In 1947, India adopted the parliamentary form of democracy. India was under the British rule till then, and thus it is similar to British model of parliamentary. India is the land of diversity in culture. Therefore, representations from every fields are to be guaranteed. Therefore, parliamentary system was the most convenient one. Yes, because different religion, different people live in India. That's why. Next, the executive, lawmaking, and the legislative law executing. See, executive, lawmaking, and the legislative law executive branches are linked to each other. Okay, and prime minister is the head of the government. Yes, we in India, who is the head? Prime minister is the head. Yes, this provides the smooth functioning of the democratic system. Of which system? Democratic system. Next, the members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people. The members of Rajya Sabha are indirectly elected by members of legislative assemblies. This helps in democratic maintenance in India. Yes, we only elect them, and then from them the members are elected. The parliament functions under well-written rules and procedure known as rules of business of parliament. What it is known as rules of business of parliament. It has the important role to carry out different social affairs. In India, each state government has legislature which is known as legislative assembly. Okay, in India, each state government, yes, you all must be knowing this, each state government has legislature which is known as legislative assembly. Gram Panchayat, Block Panchayat, District Panchayat, Town Panchayat, municipalities, municipal corporations, and area development authorities, etc., have its own law-making body known as councils. The local bodies perform their responsibilities with the support of common people. Yes, common people like we say now, Nagar Adhyaksha, Nagar Sevak, okay, these all. Responsibility of Council of Minister is checked by techniques like question hour in Parliament houses. Yes, it's question hour where the questions are asked to each other and it is checked by themselves, means within themselves only. Democracy wins to deliver its purpose when democratic norms are practiced well. Corruptions in the legal, executive and political sects of government and destructions of electoral reforms, etc., create problems in India's democratic system. Steps are to be taken for maintaining India's parliamentary pattern of government. Okay, this is something which is we can say exactly not from the textbook. Okay, the last one, but still, see what I told you, explain means you have to explain it in your own words. If you want, you can explain in your own words also, but this matter should be, there should be reasons that why did India adopted the parliamentary system. Clear? Second, discussions and deliberations are important in a parliamentary system of government. Yes, see, discussions and deliberations are important in parliamentary system of government. Yes. Now, what is this discussion and deliberation? Yes, class. Can you tell me? Now, I think in standard 7th, your first lesson, Introduction to a Constitution, in that you all have learned, okay, what was the necessity of constitution, what happened, how did discussion happen, then how did Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar drafted the constitution, and all these things. So, why discussions and deliberation are important in a parliamentary system of government, that we are going to see. Clear? So, the parliamentary is a legislative elected body of the government. Therefore, it is important to consider the opinion of both the ruling party and the opposition party. Yes. See, this was in your 7th standard also. Means the party who is ruling, okay, that party also can speak, and the opposition party that also can speak. The opposing viewpoints are good in all cases. It increases the ability to view an issue from all the points of thought. In case of parliamentary system, debates are carried out in both the houses of it. Houses means which houses? Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha discusses on all the fields of social life and take important decisions for common citizens. The importance of such discussions can be pointed as the parliamentary members discuss the issues from all its perspective, means from all the point of view. The ruling party and the opposition debate on it and pass the bill, means law, which is expected to be beneficial to the social life and common people. Whatever is good for the common people, that bill is passed. Okay, those laws are implemented. The act of discussions and deliberations are an important features of parliamentary system. The members of the ruling and opposition parties speak not for their personal interest but for majority of the people. Yes, many of them, they don't speak for themselves but for the people. Okay. The laws and discussion which are harmful to the people can be discarded, means cancelled through the discussions. The supreme authority of taking decisions cannot be given to a particular person or party when discussions are carried out. Okay, not a single person can do it. It is in group. Getting members' opinion from diverse perspective is a big way to solve a situation. Debates are made by different party members. The spokesperson, means the speaker, will remain neutral and takes decision based on majority. Thus, the parliamentary debates are the key process to the democratic system of government. Means what? In a parliamentary system, the views of different people are taken into consideration. Not only one power is going or we are listening to them, it does not go on. It helps the parliament to perform the functions representing the citizens, making laws and managing the government. Okay, so that's why this debate, okay, and deliberation, it works in the parliamentary system. Clear, class? So these are your two answers which you are going to write it properly. Clear?